Hey, it's day 7.
Halfway through. We're at sea today on our way to Grenada. We're going to go by the pool today. We're going to try to hit the midnight buffet tonight. That's a special
today is throwback day because it's a 14-day journeys cruise. So they have throwback day where they do like midnight buffet and they do horse racing and all the stuff they used to do back in like the 80s on the cruise ships. They gave us the Carnival capers last night, which is the old newsletter thing. So that was kind of cool.
What the fun times used to be.
Right, what the fun times used to be.
We had a great night last night.
We did. We had a lot of fun last night.
Some semantics, but you'll see that in the pillow talk from pizza. So anyway, I'm going to go head out to the pool. We're going to relax and enjoy poolside today for a little while before we start the festivities.
Yes, and what's really cool is if we were on a 7-day cruise,
we'd be in port.
We'd be in port right now getting off the ship, so it's pretty cool.
And we're not.
We have a whole nother week.
3, 2, 1. Our winner's going to be Steve! Nice, great job. Thank you very much. And the top of us. Timer's ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! In 3, 2, 1, release!
Okay, tonight is Sunday, so we've officially been traveling for 8 days, well, 7.5 if you count embarkation day. So tonight is the second formal night in the dining room. It's actually a throwback. It's called the Captain's Night, I believe, but we're going to kind of keep it casual for tonight. I'm wearing my black jumpsuit from City Chic, which is a really nice casual. It's got pockets, real nice jumpsuit. It has a black tie. I took that off and just put this little bit of a embellishment on this belt. And I got this belt from Thread Up, actually. So, and then nice statement pair of gold earrings from Bubble Bar, and a cuff bracelet from Roxbox. My Kendra Scott bracelet, and just my black little purse that I got years ago. And that is everything for this evening. So we'll check in later with Pillow Talk, and talk to you later, cruisers. I love you.
So, just kidding. So here we are.
End of day 8.
End of day 8. Pillow Talk. kind of cool today because today's the first day we realized that if we were only on a 7-day cruise, we'd be getting off the ship. So, and we have 7 more days, and we are stopping in 4 ports in a row. And the ship is actually rocking a little bit right now. A little bit. Yeah. So the next 4 days after today, which was a sea day,
Right.
it's boom, 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 boom. Hope that was 4.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. It's 4.
She's counting.
That is 4.
So 4 ports in a row. But let's talk about today.
Today.
We'll talk about the ports on port
Which
days.
is Sunday.
Today is Sunday, football day, and we absolutely watched 0 football. Well, I lie. We saw the Eagles playing somebody, and we did see our Dallas Cowboys getting their rear end kicked by the Seahawks while we were waiting to have a picture done. So anyway, if anybody knows if Tiger Woods won, please let me know.
You'll know by the time they see this.
I will know. So, we hung out by the pool actually for quite a while. Actually, the longest we have, probably about 4 or 5 hours today.
Yeah, and you got some good footage, which everybody probably has
Once
seen.
you've seen some of the footage I took around the pool today of the different...
Because it was throwback to the 80s.
Throwback to the 80s, so they were playing some... having some contests like they used to back in the 80s. The knobby knees contest, which was pretty funny. The aqua frog racing.
Yeah.
So you've seen that. So stuff like that. And there was a lot of people dressed up, as you saw, in 80s clothes. The cruise director, Steven Schwartz, was dressed up like Richard Simmons. And it was fun. It was a good time around the pool today. The atmosphere was really...
Yeah, and the weather was nice.
Yeah, the weather was nice. It was...
not too hot. It had a breeze. It was very...
The sun was kind of going
comfortable.
in and out. You know, it was a kind of a... it wasn't like cloudy overcast. It was hazy overcast sometimes. So we didn't have a whole lot of direct sunlight, which kept the temperature down. So that was cool. As you've seen already, and again, if you're at the end of this, you've made it. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. You've made it to the end of the day 8 video.
Trust me, congratulations to us to making it to the end,
of the day 8 video.
We had blue iguana twice. We had a breakfast and we had a couple tacos.
Oh yeah, that's been the best food that we've had.
By the pool.
Is the blue iguana. Their breakfast burritos are just
so good.
Really good.
Really good.
And then we had some tacos for lunch.
We went shopping a little bit with the cherry on top.
Yeah, which is like their candy store and like.
Right. Sorry. I'm trying to get comfy, or try not to get too comfy, or I'll be asleep. And my nose is itchy. I'm sorry. My nose is itchy.
I thought it was the ship that was moving. It's not. Yeah, cherry on top. That's where we went. That's a candy store, and what are the results? It's kind of a souvenir.
Yeah, kind of a souvenir.
Yeah, not really a souvenir.
And then we got some Pringles and some other little
just
snackies.
some little snacks.
It's past my bedtime. I'm going to turn into a pumpkin.
She's going to turn into a pumpkin. Let's wait and watch.
That's why I'm covering my eyes.
Let's watch.
No. Let's not.
Pumpkin yet?
No.
So tomorrow, Grenada. No plans tomorrow. I think we're just going to get off the ship, look around, maybe do some shopping. But I think we'll spend the bulk of the day on the ship, enjoy some of the peace and quiet on the ship without all the people on it. And
I'm falling asleep. Well, I can hardly keep my eyes open.
okay, all right. Love you.
Love you.